Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can see your Discord token on Discord. Now you cannot do this on the app version, you can only see your token on the browser version of Discord, alright? So go to discord.com and open your Discord in browser. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. Go to discord.com and click on open Discord in your browser. And if you guys have logged in into a Discord account, it's gonna open up. Now, before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now, once you open your Discord on your browser, you want to click on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen and click on More Tools. Once you click on More Tool, you want to choose Developer Tools over here. Once you choose Developer Tools, from over here, you want to click Application. And if you don't see Application over here, you can always click on this arrow and you can see Application over here. Just go on Application. Once you're in Application, you want to click on this little arrow right beside local storage. Once you click on it, you want to click on discord.com over here. Once you click on it, now you want to search for token. Once you search for token, you want to click on this button over here. Once you click on it, it should be shown on this small size. Once it's shown in this small size, you want to search for token again. Once you search for token, you can see your token over here. So this digit over here is your token. Now I have blurred half of my token from over here because you should not share your token with anybody else, alright? So once you see your token, you can copy it and paste it in a secure place, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can see your Discord token. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.